Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. It's my Monday, even though it's Tuesday. Played hooky yesterday. I was really gonna try, but fuck, bro. I was so damn drunk. After we got home, I forgot I was gonna breathalyzer my test. I'm like, I'm pretty sure I'm still drunk when I got home. I'm like, fuck. It was a nice weekend. Nice weekend. Lots of drinking, lots of fucking cigaring, lots of whiskey and shit. I didn't know I did a couple of whiskey tours, the distilleries.
Yeah.
Did a couple of cigar shops
Oh, yeah.
where they make their owns, and pretty good time, man. Pretty good time. I fucking die if I live there. God, full on. Bro, that hotel, we stay at the Ritz, and of course they're all snooty. And I'm like, me and Kimmy come in there, they don't even know what the fuck. We're walking in there with our fucking whatever, our beers, and I have I have a titty cup that's like holds like, I don't know, 60 ounces or whatever. I'm walking through their fucking shit with that.
Ew, no.
Yeah, nah, you guys be snooty. Knowing damn well your wife wants to come hang out with us, you know what I mean?
I'll be back.
So today's pre-market, if y'all have not seen, is yesterday's whole range. So shocking. Let's see here. Let me pull up the map. There we go. All right. So opening range high yesterday was the high of the day, which is today. It's about the pre-market. We're off by 20 cents, whatever, give or take. So pre-market today got up to opening yesterday's high. Pre-market low today is yesterday's low, give or take 30 cents. Right now we are dead smack in the middle. So bum 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 bum. What do we do? Look at this candle. This is our CPI candle. That one candle made the whole made the whole fucking day. That's nuts, huh? Nuts. I think we drive up. We're at 751. All good news. So I'm assuming we just trend up. I don't know. I could be wrong. We'll see. Yesterday was a full on trend down day. Full on trend down. Anyone took puts, you got paid. Got paid fat. I did not play yesterday at all. I didn't fucking think nothing about turn on no fucking chart yesterday. My fucking ass. But at a quick glance, you can see yesterday's opening range was the previous day's pretty much not exact, but you can see the low of the opening range was the midsection of the opening range the previous day. Let's see here. 755. Let me zoom out here. 760.40 is what we're trying to go for. That's our all-time high. 760.40. So we got about $5. $5 to get up there. I do want to just to break out of this. So once we hit that 760, we made lower high. And then right now we're at that point, right, guys? I don't want to make it, even if it's $1, even if it's $2, I don't want to make another low. All right. We don't want to do that. We have to at least pop above here. What is this? 756.68. We got to get above this. We got to get above this. Not necessarily today, but we don't want to make another we got to get above this. We don't want to make another higher lower high, all right? That's not good. And if in the event, so I want to see what the first 15 minutes plays out. We're going to play our normal, play like normal, but anyway, today I want to see how today goes. Ideally, we can get above this 756. It's $2. That's what I'm shooting for. If we do not, fuck, we're coming back down. Come back down, probably below the 720, or at least target the 720. Throwing it out there. I don't know why we'd go down though. Everything's been positive, besides the war, but or non-war. What did we do here? Give me that. This thing calculate. Are we open? Yep, just opened. Get the 1 minute. Morning, boss. What up, Cam? Cam Grazzy. All right, where's our 1 minute? There we go. Oh man, come on, dude. Who's levels? Okay, let me hide that. Recalculate that. Get my levels in there. Come on. There they are. Okay. Thank you. We have room to go either direction. All right, because since we opened up in the middle, I think we're gonna get us a little fake down, and then we're gonna go up. All right. Isn't it kind of funny? These look at this nut candle. So it came back literally about halfway, right? Maybe a little lower. Look at that. It always comes back to the middle. Weird. Weird. Move this box out of my way. Keep hitting it. All right, if we take puts, we want to target yesterday's low. All right. I am going to low. What day is today? 14?
14th, yeah.
We're not too juiced. I'm going to load 754. 754s. Yeah, I'm going to load 754s. Find the right account here. 754 calls. We'll load them up. Just out of hunch. We'll see though. We'll see how she does. We are below VWAP, so we're looking bearish, right? I'm just having a little faith, that's all. But we can come tap this area down here and ricochet back up. We'll see. We may have lost yesterday if I did play. Looking at because it looked like we went puts and then it came back up all the way, I think, before coming down, but it would have stopped us out, I think. Good time I took it up. If we drive down another candle here, it's not so bad. It's going to try and fake everyone. But we are looking in the short term bearish, but there's our first green. There's our first green for the day. See how this one reacts. She can make a new low. Nope, she can't do it. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. There they go. There they go. For those that don't know, when I just said I loaded those calls, that doesn't mean we're going, all right? I just loaded them up. Just loaded them up, just on a hunch, that's all, okay? When we go, you'll know. I'll repeat it 85 times, so even the deaf and dumb can get in. But it was too fast. We're going down. Fuck, man. Don't want to fucking do it, bro. God damn it. All right, I got 744 puts. 744 puts are loaded. Just breaks my fucking heart. I don't think we're gonna go down, but who knows? Who knows? I think the institutions need to drive it down so that we can push it up so they can get in. That's why when I was saying I wanted to watch the first 15 minutes, that's usually when they push the price in the opposite direction usually. So that they can get in. All right. So there's our range. Damn it. I think I want to be human today. God damn it. Drive up, baby. Drive up.
BMOP's not far away.
Drive up.
Excuse me.
So I also don't want to go up in a hurry either. All right, give it a few candles. In the opening, if you took puts here below the VWAP, that's a fine trade. All right, if you guys took that. With the mindset that if it went above, you would have stopped yourself out. All right, that would have been a fine move. Same thing at the bottom here. If you took calls here off the bottom, that's fine. Just have a stop of new low of day, right? What do I have loaded? I don't even know what I have loaded anymore. I still have those 744s, but I'm going to get back onto the 754s. 754s. What are those going to be? They're going to be about 55 probably. Yeah, that'll work. We'll go 754 calls. I'm back on those 754 calls. We want to reclaim VWAP. Couple of plays right here you can make. All right. If you wanted to take the puts off of the VWAP, that's fine. Just close out if it regains and closes above VWAP. All right. Once this candle does close, if it is above VWAP, you can jump in there too. Again, with the stop out if it stops below, right? Which I actually may jump in. I got 754 calls are loaded. 754 calls are loaded, guys. Get ready. 27 seconds. Let it come back. I want to get a pull down, all right? I want to pull down. I don't want to break out right here. But it's gonna fucking do it. I have 754s loaded. If it closes above, we're going. All right. 754 calls. It's gonna be probably 55 cents ish. Let's go. 754 calls. I'm expecting a little pullback, all right? $7.54 calls. Let me get these out. Let's get us to drive up, get us out, get paid, get on with our day. Someone give me the date.
14.
Go ahead and trim, guys. We should have taken a trim there. 61. Hit 62, I believe. Take a little bit off just to get paid, all right? Just get paid. I didn't like this this candle here. I was like I said, I didn't want to break out there. But it did, so we went in, but ideally it would have closed here and then pushed up the next candle, but we'll take what we can get, all right? You see green, take green, guys. Don't be fucking dumb. You're trading for yourself. It's your money. Looking for here would be good. This is yesterday's opening range low, 752. Even if we get to it's 752.40. 752 is right here. Any entry that you get in is fine for calls. Ideally, you want to would have been closer to play. Would have been better to play towards VWAP, but that's okay. I think we'll get a little nut candle here, bust us out one way or the other, or it'll stop us out. Ba-da-ba. Don't do that. I do have mine at 50. All right. Just because I already took profit. You do you. Come on, baby. Nut for me. Make me happy. If you make me happy. This. Oh, that took a shit on me. So with that love tap there, if you got stopped out, you can enter again. If it closes below VWAP, get out. All right. If it closes below VWAP, get out. But that 50 range, that's a good entry spot. If you did re-enter at the 50, take your trim, got 10%. %15% if you took them there. If you're still in at 55, that's fine. I would suggest trimming if you see 60. If you didn't already. It could be mine, bitch. Just give us a little nut. Give us a little nut. We're still in the halfway range. Look at this. We're still in the halfway of the whole yesterday's range and pre-market range. Pre-market range actually was more than all days yesterday's move.
Yes.
There's 63, 64. There she goes. Should be trimming, guys. That got you paid. No matter what you were in, you should be paid. If it makes you happy. There she goes right back down to VWAP. If she closes below VWAP, no matter what you're in, you should get out. All right. If you're in calls. If you re-enter again at the VWAP, just remember if it closes below, get out, right? But that 50 cents, you're looking good if you keep getting in at that 50 cents. Once you take trim, make sure you stop yourself out after break even if it comes back down. She's fucking with us today, but that's all right. 15 minutes is locked also. It's the 751.50. That's these blue lines, guys. And then 749.50. All right, 749.46. That's our 15-minute range. Let me look real fast. So it was a bullish 15-minute candle. Let me see what NQ is doing. Well, like I said, if you're playing this VWAP, it's kissed it a couple of times, okay? So if you got stopped out, you want to re-enter, as long as you're above VWAP, we're still bullish, okay? The closer you can get here to an entry, that's why I was saying that 50 cent area. That's a good move, I guess. Good play. Just remember to take profits. Take your profits. She's trying to go again. Money. Let's get to the 752 is right there. Go for the gusto, bitch. Go. Go, go, go.
This bitch is playing.
This bitch wants me to go out in the rain and get her damn storage box. Kill him. You know I'll melt. I got like 3 fights to go, 4 fights maybe. I'm on the main card, so I don't know how many fights there were, but I think I watched King Green. I think was my
King
last
Green.
fight. He's fucking money, bro. I met him. I don't know if I told you.
Oh no, he's from out there, right? Texas.
He's from a bit. I don't know if
Or
he's
lives there.
from Houston or where. Yeah, he was around. Where did I see his ass at? He had his whole little entourage. I remember. So funny. Tries to be all hard and shit. He's a softie. He's a softie. Who you fooling, motherfucker? Come on now. I did want who was oh yeah, that was in the pre-market. Whitaker looks soft, fluffy, even though he won. He
Yeah,
moved up weight classes.
he was looking pretty big.
But I think if he just focuses on if he wants to stay at light heavyweight, just focus on muscle and cut some of that fat down. But I'm sure he just had to bulk up because he had to go up 20 pounds, man. It's fucking
Yeah,
hard
that's
to
a
do.
lot.
And then that's
Okay.
just to get in. Much less you want to pack on a little bit of fucking weights. You're not the little guy. Whoever he fought, I forgot his name, but he looked fucking bigger.
Yeah. He got his ass whooped.
Here we go again. We want to target this 752. Wherever you guys got in, just remember, take profit. All right. If it wicked you back out, that's fine. You can, if you want to, if you fill in the itch, get back in near this VWAP, which we did, and that's fine. I always say trade honest. That just means take your fucking profits. All right. Hold to your guns, hold your lines. If the play stops you out, let it stop you out. There's always more plays. This thing got not 20%. I think it did 18%. So you could have got something. This 752 is just a made up level. That's just a hard number. That's kind of why I was targeting it. Ideally, we're looking for yesterday's low, 752.39. This the opening range low. VWAP is trending up. So we also want VWAP to get up above opening range. And who knows, this thing could go to fucking zero, you know. Just play what they give us. That's it. So now if you're still in it, like your entries now are like the 40 cents. So you're you see here, VWAP is powerful, right? You see that. This isn't me making shit up, all right? You see it playing live. That's why I use it as my, if you want to say bias, a bias, but you shouldn't be if we're, like I said, when we opened up and we closed below VWAP and you entered puts, if you did, it's a fine trade, right? Until you recap or retake VWAP. You want to stay in your direction. See this bitch nut. I need a good nut.
CPI might have us all fucked up.
What is it?
Said CPI might have us all fucked up. I don't know if anybody was expecting it to be good.
Not by the looks of that candle. Fucking, they didn't. They were like, what they say, it dropped like the most in 6 years, 7 years or something.
Since COVID, pretty much.
Yeah. Yeah, I looked at it. It's not supposedly. It's either 2% or below. It went 2% down or something. It's quite a bit, brother. Not supposedly. It did. PPI's tomorrow. We'll see how that does. Today's consumers, tomorrow's production. So see how PPI goes. I wouldn't have thought it went so good because price of gas, right? And then gas kind of drives everything, energy, fuel. If anything, even if it was super, super good, you would think that it would be stagnant because the price of energy is so high. So even if that counterbalanced it, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Guess not.
Bunch of trick.
Tell this bitch to hurry up and do something. We've got about a $2 range today. Not much, guys. It's not much. It's much. See what NQs did. Yeah, we're going up. Where's all indicators? Let me see. So the 9 o'clock, yeah, the 9 o'clock play, that hit. So we're getting some volatility here on the, I don't know what this is coming. Oh, it's that 10 o'clock. No, it's the 10:02 candle. Just started jumping around. Down she goes. Timber. So you close below VWAP. So now you shouldn't be looking calls until it can reclaim that, okay? This midline right here, my non-level. Watch for a bounce off of that.
Everybody does. This price action's just crazy.
Well, we got the $2 range. I mean, I don't know what this thing is doing. It may be flat today, waiting for tomorrow.
Yeah,
The
honestly.
fact that this pre-market ate up yesterday's range, that's kind of fucking weird, man. It's cool. It's like almost not exact, but you can see it's fucking close. Pre-markets usually aren't that wide, but that one CPI candle did it. And they may be trying to so institutions can't put $50 million or $1 billion into the fucking market, so they have to make us buy it all, right? So fake us
You
out
lost
one
the
direction.
batch.
But usually when they do that, it's usually more aggressive. Like it would come down to or up to a level. This today didn't really do anything. It opened in the middle. Look at this candle. So this candle, uh, draw some more lines here. Just that one candle right there. So we opened How many dollars is that? 49 to 54. It's a $5 candle. God damn. It's funny, I was in a long position and it normally closes the trade at $200. Well, at market closes, it closed at 400 because it couldn't get out of the trade, right? So it just
Mm-hmm.
double it when it exited than the whole trade should have been. A lot of people turn off the algos during news. I'm like, no, let them die. If they die, they die. Fuck them.
They gone.
Yeah, the Fed speaks every day or most days.
The who?
The Fed.
Oh, the
Rick
Fed.
was saying, yeah, Rick was saying the Fed speaks. They speak a lot. They speak a lot. Typically, the only meaningful ones are rates, and unless they're being what's it called when they're being questioned, what's it called, interrogated or whatever. I don't know. Not interrogated, but I don't know.
Irrigation.
The 29th is the next rate decision, which probably going to stay flat. If anything, I, they may pop it up, but if I had to guess today, I think they just leave it.
Yeah, especially with the fucking CPI
War
being.
going on. Guess I had an appointment today. Whoops. Welcome back. 4% on the automated account. Looks like she's heading down for a little bit momentarily.
For the
Let's
moment,
see.
it seems. Just going forward.
Well, pretty lackluster day today. It's already after 10. I didn't even realize.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully y'all got something. A little bit there to be had. Went up to 18%. You didn't have to grab the whole move. Just get something.
Pay
Rinse
yourself.
and repeat. Rinse and repeat. I think both the, let me see here. Sure. Before I, what day are we today? Yeah, so the 9 a.m. one and the 10 a.m. one. Okay. What's funny is, it's funny how. 8:39, 55. Looking back at the looks like she wants down. She wants to go down just for a little bit. Yeah, Court, we live, brother. I want to see 29617.
Jeez, this is fucking horrible. Thought we were gonna go retest those highs at least.
Right?
One minute on fucking NQ is horrible.
29300 is overnight low, pre-market low on the Qs. It got there like right before midnight, and then after midnight it was chomping up, and then pretty much all fucking morning, bro. From look at this shit from to that 8 o'clock candle. This thing bounced between 544 and 650. So 100 points pretty much all night. There we go. Hit my target. Thank you. So if this closes below, there's a fair value gap here. If it closes below 617, it would have ate it up. Looking for the pullback up into the 616 or 617, which it's doing right now. I want to see that go the other way, but it doesn't look like it. Looks like it's going to eat it. Why are these trading two contracts? Oh, that's how I have them. It's not making sense. Not making sense. Where we got open.
That call.
So we're below the opening range. We're below the 15-minute opening range. So you would think we go test yesterday's low at 748. But we'll see. It could turn around right here. Or she could die. Either way, guys, I'm gonna go watch some fights. I gotta go get this fucking toolbox for my wife out in the thunderstorms. Oh, it's okay. It's all right. Yeah, I know it's all right because you ain't doing it. Oh shit! I was gonna tell you, bro. So I was at the cigar place. So I had a cognac, a fucking bourbon, vanilla. They dip them themselves, and so you can take your cigars, any plain Jane cigar, and you can dip them. So you do them like candles, all right? So you dip them. Let's say you put them in a bourbon or whatever. You dip it in the bourbon, just whatever, 1, 2, 3 seconds. Pull it out, let it sit there for a day or two. Dip it
Yep.
again the next day, and then so you like a candle, right? You just put it in there and then take it out, and you do that 3 times, and then that's how he says. Because I'm like, man, how do you guys get the flavor? I had this bourbon one. I'm like, it's like I'm smoking fucking bourbon. I'm like, this is weird. And
It
he's
was
like,
good,
yeah,
huh?
he was showing me how they do it. Yeah, I got a couple of smooth ones. What's the name of this company? They ship worldwide, and I think they're pretty popular. Let me see. I asked them if they heard of Sticks, and they were like, no. But I'm like, well, they're good. Check them out. Had a Joyzy. What did I do with it? What did I do with it? Hey, baby. Uh, Cigar Factory, New Orleans. That's the name of them.
Cigar Factory, New Orleans.
Pretty good. I got their. They had a couple of sample packs. I just got their one of everything. And I bought a couple of different
Goodies.
ones that I like because I had a couple different ones.
It's hard.
Cool dudes though.
Want to get me something like that.
It's fucking black out here, bro. It's like it's nighttime. It's been all morning. Sun ain't come up. It's black. It's fucking nuts.
That
You
shit
see
came
how we
from.
look? Yeah, she's still coming too. Fuck. Well, there's the turnaround. Fuck.
I don't know if it's a trap.
Needs to reclaim VWAP though.
It's not too far. 50 cents.
But I'm gonna jump off, guys. Um, we'll get at it tomorrow. Tomorrow's hump day. Hump day.
Okay.
Hopefully a little more not as lackluster. Still one, but still. I like it. I like it easier than that. A couple of opportunities today. You could have played multiple wins.
Could have gotten paid.
Should have. Guys, give us a like, give us a subscribe. We'll do it again tomorrow. Maybe
Back
I'll be
at
funnier. I don't know.
it. They'll recover.
Just kind of going through the motions. We're back now. We're back now at the halfway, the median of the opening range. About that yesterday's high or yesterday's low. All right, y'all. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it.
Catch you tomorrow.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?